Hey, it's Jack here, and today we're going to do something we haven't done in a while, but it's an unboxing of some trading cards. Today we're going to do the Panini 2022 WWE Select trading cards. There's 5 cards per pack, 12 packs per box, chance for autographs and other inserts. Let's get to ripping and see what we get. We've got 2 boxes here. Let's get to opening these up and see what's inside. There's our 12 packs. Let's start ripping. I'm going to make note of something right off the bat. This pack here feels thicker than the rest of the packs, so we'll save that one for last. Might not be anything, it might be something, but let's see what we get. First pack, we come up with Macho Man, the Great Khali, there's Sheamus, the $1 Million Man, Ted DiBiase, and Elliot Prince. There's Maurice. There's a John Cena. What do we have here? Something flipped upside down. Ooh, there's an autograph card of A Kid. Very cool. Set that one off to the side. And right below that is a insert card of Ridge Holland. There's Kama. There's Shawn Michaels. Bret the Hitman Hart, Apollo Crews, Indy Hartwell, and Shinsuke Nakamura. There's The Knight, The Miz, Hall of Famer selections, Rikishi, there's Solo Sikoa, and Carmella. Okay, something I noticed right away with this pack is it's thicker, and we can see there's a thicker card in there. Sonya Deville, Ricochet, Bobby Lashley, Tony D'Angelo, and Iofi Valkyrie. Now the insert, this is just a piece of cardboard they put in there. Not quite sure the reason for the cardboard, so that's the reason for the thicker pack. And again, there's the cardboard insert on this pack here. Sasha Banks, Liv Morgan, Alba Fire, and there's the cardboard insert again. There's Jinder Mahal and Jerry Lawler. Okay, here's another pack with a thick cardboard insert in there. There's a Triple H card, JC Jane. Oh, what do we got here? Charlotte Flair. I see what they're doing now. They put these blanks in there to think you're getting a special insert card like this Charlotte Flair with one of her costumes there. But really, it's just to keep you guessing as to you can't figure out which one has the real insert and which one doesn't. Here's Sheamus and Jey Uso. Okay, we've got Veer Mahan, there's Butch, Jinder Mahal, Rob Van Dam, and Natalya. Okay, we got Alexa Bliss, Joe Gacy, The Rock. That's a nice looking card there. That one thought was going to be individually numbered. It's not. And here's a purple insert, a Montez Ford, and Nathan Frazier. Okay, on to our next pack. We have Goldberg, Xavier Woods, Io Shirai. Oh, here is a Kevin Nash insert. This is red. And that one's individually numbered, 43 of 149. And a Sheamus card. So we have The Edge, Braun Breaker. There's a Shotzi autograph card right there, pretty cool. There's Hulk Hogan and Cameron Grimes. So recapping box number 1, we had a Charlotte Flair artifact, 2 autographs. We have a Kid and Shotzi. We had some inserts and these specially numbered inserts of the blue, purple, and red here. And then several cards. I don't think I had any duplicates of the standard cards. I'll go back and check off camera, but I don't believe I did. Okay, time to unbox and rip box number 2. Here's our 12 packs. The 2 thicker packs do stand out. I will just go in order, see what we get. Hey, we have Katana Chance, Indy Hartwell, Nikita Lyons. Oh, here's a blue card of Cora Jade. And I think that's a duplicate from our box number 1 of Alexa Bliss, Von Wagner, Nikki ASH, The Undertaker. Thought that might be numbered, it's not. Oh, here's a nice card here. This is a blue Becky Lynch, individually numbered, number 81 of 199. And on the other one, it's number 11 of 299. And we got a Brock Lesnar. Here's Miko Satomura. Another Hulk Hogan, that's a duplicate from the first box. Rob Van Dam, that's another duplicate. Oh, here's a nice one of Joe Gacy. And that one's numbered 110 of 249. And there's a John Cena card. Here's Sheamus, Seth frickin' Rollins. This is number 3 of 10. There it is. JC Jane autograph card, Angelo Dawkins, and Edge. There's Ciampa, Mick Foley, Rob Van Dam, the JC Jane standard card, and Dolph Ziggler. Here we've got the thick, let's see if we get something or if it's just an insert. Jordan Devlin, Shelton Benjamin, Bruno Sammartino, and oh, denied, that's just a blank this time. Io Shirai, that's insert there. And we got Boa. Here's Eddie Guerrero, Cora Jade. Oh, there's an Italia autograph, pretty nice card there. And we got Roderick Strong and Chad Gable. Have Angel, here's Bailey, Drew McIntyre, Ronda Rousey, and Apollo Crews, Randy Orton, Kofi Kingston, Hall of Fame, Selections, Ultimate Warrior, Queen Zelina, and Jimmy Hart. This one here has got another insert. Is it going to be a real card or just a blank? Let's see. Santos Escobar, Angelo Dawkins, Ronda Rousey, and it's just a blank. There's Edge and Ciampa. This pack also has the card. This is probably going to be the card based on the other box that had 2 blanks before we got to the actual artifact card. Let's see what we have. Shinsuke Nakamura, Raquel Rodriguez, whatever it is, it's from Becky Lynch. There it is, Becky Lynch. It's one of her costumes. Is that the same? God, that's... I hate when this happens. Get the same card in the same pack. That's... I hate when that happens. And Bret Hitman Hart. And this is our last pack out of box number 2. And we have Becky Lynch, Jey Uso, Shotzi, Bad News Barrett, and another Shotzi. Get 2 Shotzis in the box, but they're both different poses. So to recap box number 2, we had 1 artifact with Becky Lynch, 2 nice autographs, we had individually numbered insert cards, and a few of these other insert cards. Well, it was pretty cool unboxing 2 of the Panini WWE Select trading card boxes. The Panini site doesn't have much information on how much is in the set. However, I did some research and found there's about 400 cards in the non-insert set. Then they have inserts also to keep you excited. So I was satisfied with the cards I got. Some of my favorite wrestlers were on there. And I look forward to hearing your comments about the Panini Select WWE boxes that I just opened. If you like this type of video, give it a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, and we'll catch you on the next one.